too hard, don't stand too close. You won't fuck around and down. Off this shows.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Mariah and Arlysia'vlogs. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a special guest.
Yeah, my name Milton Holmes. Yeah, y'all already know we finna make slime.
So
stay tuned, post notifications, turn on that bell. Ring that bell, and subscribe to her channel.
So we have this, some thinks it's frosting and stuff, and we're just gonna be experimenting it with our slime. So without further ado, let's get straight to this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this, and we're gonna split sides. So get your butter knife. We have plastic knives, so let's go.
Yeah. Stay safe.
Safe, gang. So first we're gonna start off like a little, then work our way up. Oops.
She got a little bit more than me, but it's okay.
It's tomato. So we're gonna
all
put
we
this.
trying to do is have fun.
What do you think? Well, let me ask both of y'all. Y'all, and how do you find out that I'm better? Do y'all think this is gonna work? Like, I feel like it is, yeah. And it's coming along. Yo, it's kind of already working because it's faster. Let's hope it turns out to be better slime. Did you use all of it? Okay, we're gonna use more. Because I never played butter slime. I never want to see that. I never made butter slime. Like the slime that, I made like stretchy slime and jiggly slime, fluffy slime, which you guys already seen. Yeah, I didn't post it.
Yeah, I did. I played with sticky slime on here. Guys, go check out all my other videos. And you can check out the video of him singing. He can't sing, guys. Boom!
Detergent.
Yeah,
y'all already know how we say it from the hood. Detergent.
What?
I'm just kidding, y'all. Okay, I put it over here. That's enough for this. I shall be extra. And let me get some more sauce.
Y'all see this?
I want to prank him, guys. Y'all, I'm about to prank him. Milton, you're annoying, dang.
Ow.
Cause I told you Dominic was shaving cream and you still did it, and now it's not even working because you're annoying yourself. Dang. Must be annoying. What? Not even funny. But for real, you always have to be annoying. No, for real, you always have to be annoying. That's why I don't even want you on my YouTube channel. Dang. You should have never came to my house. Know yourself. I don't even want to do it no more. Dang, so annoying.
Come here, where are you going, son?
No, you always have to be annoying. You always have to ruin stuff. Dang, you always ruin everything. Milton. Dang. But guess what? You just got pranked! How you feel?
I feel alright.
How you feel to get pranked?
I feel alright.
So, y'all, our slime was a massive fail.
But it almost worked, guys.
But we had fun. I had fun pranking him. This is my first prank video. Make sure to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell and comment what y'all want to see next.
Y'all, but like the texture is good.
But it didn't work. But I still had fun making the slime and mostly pranking him. But bye.